how to fix UI navigation on Roblox. So you ever wonder when you just go play Roblox, then this happen where it says UI navigation enabled, and when you use your movement keys or something, it will only hover to your skills or to the menu right here. To fix that, you simply need to tap on escape on your keyboard, then go to help here on the right side, then find the UI selection toggle, which is just right here on the miscellaneous section. So on default, it is set to backslash. So just need to go escape again, go back to your game, then tap on or click on the backslash key on your keyboard. And as you can see, it will go back to normal. It will go back to normal just like so, and now you could use your movement keys and stuff. That's how you basically turn off UI navigation on Roblox.